Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, mildly spiced Indian style potato roast which you can have with rice or with roti. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make aloo roast, I'm using 4 medium-sized potatoes. I'm just peeling off the skin. Slice the potatoes into round. Not very thick or very thin. This is the size I prefer. Wash and rinse it a couple of times or until the water is clear. Once the tawa is heated, add in about 1 tablespoon wood pressed oil. I'm using wood pressed coconut oil, but you can use wood pressed groundnut oil or mustard oil or any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. About 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of wood pressed oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon kalonji, also known as nigella seeds, half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds, and add in the sliced potatoes. Give it a mix. Add in 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Give this all a mix. Add a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons. Give it a mix. Cover and let it cook on low flame. After about 2 minutes, open the lid. Just give it a stir. It's about 3 minutes now. Just going to give it a stir. Let's spread it out and then I'm going to cover and let it cook. Open the lid again. Give it a stir. Once the potatoes are cooked, sprinkle in pink Himalayan salt as needed. I'm also adding in 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. I'm going to give it a stir. Once the potatoes are cooked, you don't need to cover it. You just have to lightly roast on low flame. Since this is a well seasoned cast iron tawa, the potatoes will not get sticked and it will be nicely roasted. You can already see that the potatoes have started to get roasted. And you can see that the potatoes are not sticking to the kadai. And it's getting quickly roasted, as you can see. And as you can see, the potatoes are cooked thoroughly. Lastly, sprinkle in some chopped coriander leaves and give it a stir. You can see that the potatoes are roasted well. Turn off the flame and enjoy this quick and easy potato sabji with roti or rice. So guys, do try this potato roast and send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.